Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to undo or redo an action in Google Docs. So as you can see, I'm in Google Docs here. I'm going to simply open up one of those files here, and I'm going to basically remove something. So I'm going to grab this paragraph here, and I'm going to simply go ahead and press delete on my keyboard. Right, so that paragraph is gone. Now, how do I undo what I just did? There's two ways how to easily do this. And the shortcut to do that is Control Z on your keyboard. And once you do that, it will undo what I just did. Now, I can easily go ahead and redo what I did by utilizing the shortcut, by pressing the shortcut Control and Y. And as you can see, it redo what I just did. Now, there's another way how to do that, as I said, is by looking on the bar here in Google Docs. And if you look towards the upper left, you will see two arrows, one that goes to the left and one that goes to the right. One is undo, one is redo. And the left one is basically the undo. So if I click it, it gets back the paragraph. And if I press the other one towards the right, as you can see, redo, Control plus Y, it will redo it. And that's it, guys. That's how you undo or redo an action in Google Docs. Very easy and very simple.